Have you ever thought about how semen is actually produced? Well, I'm Dr. Rena, a urologist and pelvic surgeon, and today I'm going to walk you through the basic steps involved in making semen. If you're new here, I specialize in urology and share information on topics like sexual health, bladder health, and much more. So if you enjoy this kind of content, please consider subscribing, and even more importantly, share this channel with your friends. Now, let's dive in. Many people assume that semen is simply sperm, but in reality, sperm makes up less than 10% of the total volume of semen. Sperm itself is formed in the testicles. The process begins in tiny tubes inside the testicles called seminiferous tubules, where sperm is produced over a period that takes about 64 days. This process is known as spermatogenesis. Once spermatogenesis is complete, the sperm travel from these tubules into a structure called the epididymis. The epididymis is a small cord-like structure located along the back and side of the testicle. Here, the sperm continue to develop over roughly 10 days, transitioning from immature to fully mature sperm. They remain there until stimulation occurs, typically when a man is approaching climax. At that point, the sperm are propelled into a structure known as the vas deferens. The vas deferens is a muscular, tube-like passage that carries sperm from the epididymis to the ejaculatory duct. When the sperm reach the ejaculatory duct, they combine with fluids from other structures that contribute to semen. One of these is the seminal vesicles. The fluids added here are essential for nourishing and supporting the sperm as they travel into the female reproductive system, helping protect them and sustain them on their journey toward the egg. The seminal vesicles provide substances like fructose, amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein, phosphorus, potassium, and citric acid. In fact, this fluid accounts for about 60 to 80% of the total volume of ejaculate. A smaller portion of fluid comes from the prostate, a walnut-shaped gland located just beneath the bladder. The prostate produces PSA, which helps liquefy the semen and also supports the health of the sperm. Finally, there are tiny glands near the prostate that open into the urethra, known as Cowper's glands. These glands release a small amount of fluid that helps lubricate and further liquefy the semen, while also neutralizing any acidity that may be present from residual urine in the urethra. And there you have it, that's semen production in a nutshell. I hope you found this helpful. I'm Dr. Rena, and as always, remember to take care of yourself, because you're worth it.